Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you barbecue meatloaf recipes. You will need a large bowl, measuring spoons, measuring cups, a casserole dish, and an oven. The ingredients are 2 pounds of ground beef, 1/2 cup of cracker crumbs, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 egg slightly beaten, 1½ cups of ketchup, 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 small can of tomato sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chopped onion. Combine the ground beef, onion, salt, pepper, cracker crumbs, egg, and tomato sauce in a large bowl. Pour the meatloaf mixture into the casserole dish and form it into a loaf with your hands. Mix together the ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, and onion in a small bowl. Pour half of the sauce over the meatloaf. Place the meatloaf in the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Take out and pour the rest of the sauce over the meatloaf. Bake an additional 20 minutes. Take out of the oven and serve with rice or mashed potatoes. And that is a barbecue meatloaf recipe.